No me crees que eres youtuber, amigo.
¿Sí?
Apenas empecé a ganar,
¿En serio?
Ya en YouTube acá.
A ver, ¿qué youtuber eres para que Pablo te busque?
A ver, búscalo y dale like.
YouTuber?
Va. Que me digas.
TNE Troubles.
Any trouble.
Okay. Hablan inglés ellos, habla con ellos.
Ah, sí, ok.
Lo escuché hace rato, he speaks perfect English, huh?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Que a los 9
He
años
speaks perfect
se
English.
fue a
Kind of,
vivir
dice
un año
kind
a Estados Unidos.
¿Un año?
Sí.
With 1 year, he speaks English like that?
Yeah.
Sí. O sea, habla menos que cuando se fue.
That's
Pero
crazy.
es que sí habla.
¡Gordo!
¡Wow!
¡Ven, amo, un abrazo, gorda!
Oh, that's a monster right there. Look at him.
Salud del niño.
Yeah. He's huge.
I know, he's an old guy.
Yeah.
Ay, yo sí les voy a
But the current's so strong that you don't go through 500 pounds from end to end. So we usually would do a drift dive back there, come back here, and dump the rest of the tank, which is actually pretty cool. So and that back there is a rock garden. Here, this is just fungi. It's beautiful.
Drink. I gotta put on a life jacket?
Yes, you have to put on a life jacket.
Alright, cool.
Did you not hear the instructions? Just grab whichever one.
¿Cuántos caben ahí?
Son para 3, pero adultos 2. Depende de los niños que lleven.
¿Hay lugar para otro?
¿Dónde? No. Para un niño, sí. Sit in the back. Sit in the very back. There you go. You kayak before, yes?
I think
Yes,
we're done.
once.
Well, that's good enough.
An inflatable one.
Okay. Okay. All right, here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
All right, keep this on the board the whole time. Why? Because if they get a hold of it, they'll pull. Perfect. And they pull.
They'll pull it?
They'll pull your ass around the ball.
Nice.
You have no strength against it. All right.
I'm recording, so I need you to paddle.
Okay, how do we go back?
You're going forward.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn that way, no? We're going that way?
Yeah, we're about to go kayaking out here, Bird Island tour. I wonder what kind of bird that is. Bird Island tour. We got sea lions. A big rock. It's all white from a bunch of shit. We got some pelicans right there. Martin's gonna go swimming with the sea lions, so yeah, he's gonna record the video for that. All this for $100. They make everybody jump. Look, that's going swimming.
Oh my god, this is so awesome, babe. I'm in love. I can't believe we're doing this.
They just jumped off the boat right now. Yeah. The water's pretty clear. You can see the bottom.
I can't believe this is what we're doing. I love it. My brother just went in. We'll go right with us? Oh, no, let's have to go. Look at this horse.
Go towards it.
Okay. Right here to the right.
Yeah. That one's huge. Oh, I forgot my hat. I'm burning up.
Me too, I should ride it.
So make sure you guys book this for $100 when you guys come to Puerto Peñasco. I think it's hot enough to go swimming. We might just go swimming. Martin and the kids. What was that?
The sea otters, did you see?
Yeah, they swim under them.
Wait, they're sea lions, sorry.
Sea lions, yeah.
I get confused.
Go that way so we can see. Go next to the boat. Hey, yeah. All right. Que viva! Oh, look what's up there.
That's what my brother's saying. I told him maybe for the airplanes or something, won't hit it.
Oh, it's for the boats won't hit it. You're right. It's a light. So the boats could see it.
I think it was moving and it's still alive.
I'm not sure it was floating. It might be dead. Starfish.
Why is it down? Because supposedly it's not supposed to.
The seals are gonna pull it. The seals will pull it, and they pull hella hard.
Nah, he didn't say that.
Yeah, he told everybody.
Oh, grab it, babe.
And it's all the way in there. Hold on. You guys.
So these people that are snorkeling, they said there's hundreds of them under them, hundreds swimming under. We might go swimming. Oh, they're having hella fun. We're going swimming. Let's do it. Let's go swimming. They almost ran into the boat. All right, let's go back. It's getting hot. The sun's strong. Let's go get some. Watch out. Watch out. We almost crashed. Edith doesn't know how to drive this thing.
Alright, yes I do. Y este... ¿Quieren salsa? Sí, por favor.
Bean and cheese burrito. And that one's meat burrito, beef?
Tomando frijol con queso.
Meat burrito.
And then we can grab our own chips. And also more.
Some chips. And a beer. ¿Sí me da una tecate? Un vaso de tecate, por favor?
Y a mí una margarita, por favor. Sí, está bien.
Can you put this back?
Sí, descargar o descargar.
Así está bien, así está bien. Thank you. Perfect pour.
I'm gonna go
So the water's kind of cold, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get in. I might have Martin just go make the video.
Right here? Yeah, it should be fine. Ooh, look at our food. It's really
We
good.
just got our lunch.
Some burritos.
The burrito is it's a lot of tortilla,
On the kaya.
but it's pretty good. I'm pretty hungry, so
Nice. And now we just have lunch.
let's try the meat one. That one has meat in it. So this is the meat burrito right here they give you. We're gonna try the salsa, but it looks spoiled. But let's try the meat burrito.
No? Not good? Bean and cheese is better? Grab this one. No?
I like it.
What type of meat is it?
I like brown, like chimichanga meat. What it tastes like? It tastes like chimichanga to me. You like it?
But this is our breakfast, so I guess we'll take it.
The bean and cheese burrito is way better. I'll stick with my bean and cheese burrito. We don't need no meat. How'd you guys like the burrito?
They're cool. I mean,
They're cool. They're hella nasty. I don't like them. Well, Martin says they're good. So if you're hungry, I'm pretty sure you'll like it.
I don't like both.
But we personally didn't like it. So Edith says she don't think a Mexican person made them. We guys tried Doritos in Mexico, regular. It has like a jalapeno, like a salsa flavors, like chili or something, but it's not spicy. Yeah. Stop. Cheers. Yeah. This fool was just driving the boat right now. He was driving the boat right now. He's our potential future tour guide for Querétaro right here. Yeah. Puro Querétaro. Le dio mi guía, mi futuro guía de Querétaro, ¿eh?
Puro Querétaro, compa.
Yeah.
Querétaro, compa, ¿eh?
Yeah.
Una enredadera en cualquier palo te atora
Yeah.
y te das vueltas con tus ramitas que se enredan donde quiera y entre tanto ramerío ya te apodamos la ramera.
Pero no sé si voy a poder.
Pues buena suerte. A ver si no se espina. Hoy nomás.
Yeah. Salud. Yeah.
Y de las vueltas, poco bonitas que se enredan donde quiera y entre tanto ramerío, ya te apodamos la ramera.
Yeah.
Pero que sea desértica, oh sí, desértica. Pero que sea desértica, oh sí, desértica. Pero que sea desértica, oh sí, desértica. Pero que sea desértica, oh sí, desértica.
Yeah. Salud.
Saludos a mi homie, mi amigo youtuber, 100% youtuber, mi amigo, mi carnal.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna go. Oh, I don't think he'll mind, but no. Yeah. Cheers. Still making drinks. Otra cerveza, por favor. My boy Adrian right here, he's hella cool. Yeah.
Compañera Lía.
Gracias.
Oye, amigo, la bandononona de San José. Arriba Querétaro. Arriba Querétaro y San José.
¿Esto ya se acabó?
Próximamente, Puerto Peñasco, chingado, ¿por qué no?
¡Esto sigue!
Esto sigue.
Oh, boy. That almost fell. My boy right here, just gave me a joint, peep. Yeah.
Excelente.
All right, chido. Gracias, primo.
Estimado, ¿qué me estás grabando?
Yeah. All right, our potential tour guide in El DF, right here.
Texcoco, Estado de México para el mundo.
Yeah. This is our potential tour guide right here in Mexico. El DF, Mexico. He's gonna take us to the pyramids.
State of Mexico.
State of Mexico. Yep.
Texcoco.
Texcoco.
Dicen a los de...
Yeah. So we made a quick little stop right here. We're gonna drop off a bunch of people on this resort right here. Chilangos,
I'm not chilango.
¿Cómo?
I'm a state of Mexico. Mexicanse.
Oh, it's different?
That's all. Totally different.
Que no chilango.
No, state of Mexico. Mexicanse. Mexicanse.
Mexicanse. All right, cool. We made a quick stop. We're gonna drop off a bunch of people. Look, right here at the resort. They stayed at the resort, picked up 35 people. Dog. Going back on the boat. Yeah. Look.
No más cuidado por la panga, ir por este lado, por favor. Para acá por este lado, porque viene la panga.
These people that jumped off to swim. It's crazy.
Seems to be a pretty good cutter.
Momento.
¿Puedo irme nadando?
Señores, ¿se pueden sentar enfrente, por favor?
¿Tu chaleco, hijo?
Lo dejé.
Agárrate uno.
Hola, primo, mucho gusto.
Hermano, cuídate mucho. ¿Cuál es tu página para buscarte, carnal?
TNE Travels.
Channel Travels.
Yo se la mando tengo su número, le mando
Deme
un
el
link.
número. Mándame el link, hermano.
chido.
Claro que sí.
Gracias.
Vamos, hijo. Espacio. Sentado, por favor.
Amigo,
Nos vemos en Querétaro.
nos vemos en Querétaro y en San José.
Yo.
Agarra,
We're taking everybody back to the resort over there.
agárrame la mano ya. Ya. Vamos en la lancha, ya pues.
No te preocupes.
Vámonos pues.
Súbese. Pues, ¿cuál quieres?
Suéltalo para irnos.
Pues dice, vámonos. Libre, se llama.
Libre soy, no me sabía de la persona.
¡Libre eso! Ya me está cayendo.
That's it, we're gone. All right.
Come back, so now we can watch it.
We get to watch you walking from the boat to the shore.
Excuse me. ¿Se fueron, ah?
Sí.
That's it. Yeah. That's it, they're gone. Back to the resort. The resort life.
For their Texcoco, this is it's the house of the Nezahualcóyotl. Nezahualcóyotl. She's the king. All those answers. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Texcoco, los vemos en Texcoco.
¿Nos vemos en Texcoco, padre? Me llamas, no te olvides de mí.
Yeah, for sure.
Hola, Ricky, no te vayas a aventar, ¿eh?
That's our tour guide for el DF.
Vete mucho, mano.
Cheers.
Estamos, nos vemos.
Lo vemos en DF, ¿ah?
Nos vemos en DF, Texcoco, Estado de México.
Texcoco. Yeah. The last boat is leaving.
Muchas gracias.
¡Dale, pues nos vemos!
¡Órale!
Ah, primo. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, saludos. Que vaya bien. Te esperamos en Texcoco, hermano, ¿eh?
Nos vemos en Texcoco, México, DF, right?
México, DF, Estado de México.
Yeah.
Atrás de mí.
That's it. We're leaving. Horses on the beach. You can't really see them though, fool. Look.
Oh, yeah.
That's the bathroom down there.
Ah, sí, creo que aquí viene. Creo que aquí viene. Digo, y déjalo.
So, ¿lo vamos a dar vuelta?
Vamos a dejar una mochila que se le olvidó aquí a la gente. Ahí viene la cámara.
We're turning the boat around. Guess somebody forgot a backpack. So it looks like we're going back to the resort. We're pretty far already. Check out the building. Next time we come back, the other one's gonna be built already. Like a resort. I wonder what resort that is. There's a few resorts all along the coast right here. Let's go check out the bathroom. Let's go see what the bathroom looks like. Let's go see what the bathroom looks like. Got a glass door. Slow motion. Nice little toilet. Yeah, it's a cool bathroom. I was trying to figure out how to flush it. Guess it has a button. She just poured me the last beer. Gracias por todo. Poured me the last beer. Thanks to this guy, I jumped in the ocean. See you, Cortez, because he called me out. Appreciate it. Called me a fake YouTuber because I gave someone my camera. I gave someone my camera to go record the sea lions. He's like, "You're a fake YouTuber. Don't ever let no one call you a fake YouTuber." So I jumped in the ocean. But then I jumped in there and I didn't get to record anything because the battery died. I gave it to Edith to put a new battery. She couldn't really figure it out, so I didn't get to record it. That was it. We're back. Did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah, pretty much.
We love Puerto Peñasco, yeah. Yeah, my boy Adrian right here. If you guys come out here, you guys are gonna meet people like Adrian right here. Hella cool. We're gonna give him a $25 tip. My boy Adrian right here. Where? Oh, nice. The Virgin Mary. There's a, I don't think you guys can see it. Statue of the Virgin Mary. That was it. Let's go keep exploring. It's a restaurant?
Yeah.
That's a restaurant. It's a bow in a restaurant right there. Yeah, yeah. Chilling. That bow, there's a band down there too. There's a group. They're just not playing right now. That was it. Bird Island tour, 6 hours, huh? Like 6 hours, huh? 6 hours later, we're back. That's Puerto Peñasco for you right here.
The top boat.
Where? This one?
That one, the top. To the top.
Oh, yeah. The National Guard? The National Guard?
The little one.
Damn, look at this huge boat right here.
Sunset Cruise. Oh, it's a Sunset Cruise.
Yeah. Yeah.
that one's
Wave at them,
huge.
wave at them.
That one's huge.
That was it. That was it. They brought us back. Bird Island tour. You guys get on this. Not only are you guys gonna get a good tour, these people right here, all these people, all the staff, they're amazing. You guys should see. So let's go say thank you. Let's go say thank you. Where's Didi in the bathroom? My boy Adrian over there. Hey bro, thank you for everything. Thank you for encouraging me to jump in the ocean. Appreciate it. Gracias por todo. Gracias, Adrian, gracias por todo. Gracias, primo, por manejarlos. Gracias. Mucho gusto.
Largo el viaje, pero. Sí, está.
Yeah. Check it out. He has the same last name, Ochoa. So Didi stopped by. His last name's Ochoa, right? He said his cousin is a soccer player, famous soccer player, Ochoa. He's gonna show us pictures. All the fishes. Shit.
por aquel.
Oh, bien chido, primo.
Fíjate que aquellos.
Fill up the tank, gas tanks. That's all gas in there?
Yeah, we got another trip tomorrow, another barrage.
Nice. Pa' mañana.
Otra isla, pero ahora.
¿Cuántos galones le caben al barco?
8. Son 5 por 8, 40, 400 litros.
400 litros. Damn, 400 liters. 400 liters fits in that boat. 400 liters of gas. They said they got another trip tomorrow. Guillermo Ochoa's cousin right here. He's been trying to find the picture. He wants to show us the picture, but he hasn't been able to find it.
Mi mujer. Aquí está, mira. Memo.
Oh, it is.
Para que no digas. Y hay por aquí.